All right, here's another kit, all finished up, ready to go to the guy that ordered it. And this guy wanted the normal bar switch that I normally send out, and he wanted the high beam switch on here as well. And this one also has the plate light on the back. By the way, I am working on a plate mount. This is the 3D printed mock-up. It's not exactly how I want it yet. And obviously, I don't personally like where this is mounted. I would rather have it mounted underneath here somewhere, but this does work. And it also has those brass inserts melted into there. But this would be made out of aluminum eventually, and it would be powder coated or anodized black to match everything. But let me know what you guys think. I was thinking about building something that mounts maybe off of the mud flap, because I know a lot of bikes, the mud flap hole spacing is like almost exactly the same or pretty close. So I might be able to make some sort of mount that mounts into there. Obviously, once you sit on the bike, it might kind of hide it a little bit too much. So I was just wondering what you guys' opinions are, or if this mount on the back of the fender is fine, and if you want something else, then you can figure it out yourself. But this is the basic idea of what I'm gonna come up with. Doesn't need to be quite this wide. I just wanted to test it out, but the final one would be a little bit smaller, obviously. But anyway, back to this kit. So I made this one work all together with everything that he ordered. So power on, it's the yellow lights only. The plate light obviously is also on. And then the blinker, there's left blinker and right blinker. And then obviously they're gonna bend these up to whatever they want later. The horn works as well. And then this is how this switch works. Press it and it lights up blue, and then those white lights turn on. Pretty neat. But anyway, and this will also mount off of the same bolts that these mount off of, and should still be okay. There should still be plenty of thread left on the bolt. But anyway, as always, two different ways to mount these. You can mount it through the radiator guard, or you can clamp it onto your bars. I'm gonna send both to this guy and he can just kind of figure out what he wants to do, but that's how this is set up.